Sorry about the quality of this video and the sound. Doing it in the bathroom. So this is a hook, you sort of can hold it. I'm using my left hand because I'm using my phone to film this with my right hand. Just basically a hook thing that can hook over a handle. Open the door. Of course you can use that to push it. You can also use this end there to press buttons, say on a keypad on a cash card machine. So, show you that again. Another bit of a hook there. That one's too small to go around this handle, but might be suitable for other handles. But that's getting a bit close to the fingers, this one. So I've made it a bit longer so that it's a bit further away from the fingers, a bit of a gap there. Okay, that does stick on there a little bit, but that's okay. I'm doing this in the bathroom, as you might see, just because the lighting is probably better in here than other places. Right, I'll put this file online. So that goes in the palm there. It is a remix of this one. Thank you to that Thingiverse user. I tried to put some letters on here. They haven't come out too well. I might change the letters a bit so that they come out a bit clearer, I think. We've got a thumb grip there and some grips under here. Quite good. Sometimes I find it, to be honest, sometimes I find it almost a bit slippy, that it's going to slip off. But as long as there's tend to be a bit of a twisting action, I think is best. So it's actually going round. I'm going to put quite a bit of pressure on that, to be honest with you. So it's not absolutely perfect, but stops you touching the handles. Don't worry, these have been cleaned. I clean my handles quite often with some Dettol wipes, 99% of germs, get it off. Try and close this with this. Now light will probably go dark here. See, I'm having to pull that quite firm. But you get the basic idea there. I'll put the files online. Let's open the door, get a bit of light.